Make a great choice today with the 2016 XC60. From sidewalks to pathways in the blink of an eye, the XC60 was named a Consumer's Digest Best Buy in the cars, pickups, minivans, SUVs, and hybrids category and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, navigation system, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror, 8 speakers. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.